It gives me immense pleasure to invite the healthcare professionals, particularly the nursing community, to the International Conference on Health Research 2026 that is scheduled in April 17 to 19 at RMI. This conference provides an excellent opportunity where you can share your research through oral and poster presentation. You can participate in quiz. You can get valuable feedback on your research interest from research experts in the sessions we call Research Arena and Science Cafe. There are numerous pre-conference workshop and many other learning opportunity. At Rehman Medical Institute, we strongly believe in uplifting the nursing profession by promoting research, leadership, and academic excellence. And the nurses and nursing department consistent participation in the ICHR over the years reflect this commitment. So I encourage all the healthcare professionals to mark their calendar and do not miss this excellent opportunity.